China says it may have detected signals from alien civilizations. I love this transition from the break. I love the way you organize that break so we could come right back to alien civilizations having sent signals to China.
Perfect.
By the way, we're looking at this image, and you're having GoldenEye flashbacks.
Yeah.
And I'm curious. This is called China's Sky Eye. It is a telescope, a giant telescope.
How is that a telescope? How does that work?
You're asking for a little science class over here? You came to the wrong place.
Okay.
China said it's a giant Sky Eye telescope may have picked up signs of alien civilizations, according to a report by the state-backed Science and Technology Daily, which then appeared to have deleted the report and posts about the discovery. Curious. The narrow-band electromagnetic signals detected by Sky Eye, the world's largest radio telescope, radio telescope, differ from previous ones, so it's kind of like a dish. Differ from previous ones captured, and the team is further investigating them. The report said, citing Shang Tongji, chief scientist of extraterrestrial civilization search, team co-founded by Beijing Normal University.
What?
Where do you go to school? Beijing Normal University.
Normal?
Yeah, I go to the normal one. How about you? The National Astronomical Observatory of the Chinese Academy of Sciences and the University of California, Berkeley. It isn't clear why the report was apparently removed from the website of the Science and Technology Daily, the official newspaper of China's Science and Technology Ministry, though the news had already started trending on social network Weibo and was picked up by other media outlets, including state-run ones and including Bloomberg, where we happen to be rebroadcasting it here on Tulu later for all of you.
Mm.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, there's extraterrestrials out there, right? Obviously.
Mm-hmm.
And it's only a matter of time, obviously. And if we had an enormous radio telescope, we'd be chatting it up too, wouldn't we?
I'm guessing it would just be audio, right?
That's right.
It's just like an alien
Contact.
fart or something.
Contact.
Yeah.
Jodie Foster.
Great movie.